He don't demand he don't demand the be. Open river, open to money be. We facility, as you may be.
Okay. So, Bhad is in the building. Bhad, that's say. Ibia Sheku there. Good to see you. Udimba akona demon no.
Yeah.
Demon ya bonsamo. I don't know demon. Why? Really? It's your understanding of demon here then.
To me, my body. I say be more a rap god, be more a rap software, rap doctor, me a demon. Yeah. And now DB and steady on who in the sanity. Me demon me who say a boy me nya DB a be hunting me and as say what
I see. I think that the journey, unyum journey no like usi mo achepa and yamia wa dum sisi we bios, but how difficult was it? Ushase na na oba no na manfo ntide na wo ye na se no na it saying
yeah pa it said we bodam no it said it down mo tag was who ka bibi na person party was that person must gina e o de o ye na nya no all the person yeah pa
but manfo hu ni say you are a bad boy mu ni say we akwada boni bi na
no ma so
mo mfa onya we naturally we a bad boy
mechanism but being trouble innocent people when you say yeah who make a
bad boy in music or bad
yes,
boy
yes bad boy in music, bad boy in my like me so but maybe me didn't jail no bien so
bad
and a bad is in chichi mu bien no wait my coach chichi mama na all the person me bad it chichi me one pay it is all the people we come and no.
Okay, so now okay group are the buy and
Asaka boys
very well. Are you still together? Still am we together? Now you see the obi a corner solo way.
The attorney say you know a solo artist, but you come together to do magic all the time because you know a family at baby far when you ready boom and boom a she boom ne.
More the mushi boom.
Oh yeah, baby boom.
Okay.
You share say baby a magic, but to be a solo brand.
Okay.
Yeah, will be a solo artist.
Great. You know, I just said at time I recording academy. I recognize Ghanaian drill.
Yeah.
Not you just say you guys were somewhere cooking the songs. Yeah. But at the point we are singing it to me abejiatum. But maybe so can say na I wasn't come kind Asaka instead of Ghanaian drill. Yeah. So now I'm feeling saying.
Yeah. Me no more arguing because I didn't Asaka. What I say? That's the name of Ghanaian drill, Asaka. But who say like when you be a mama in school, you are more. The person which you go, the only reason I didn't sound live for Ghana, so
yeah,
let's make it Ghanaian drill. Yeah,
I see. So we me be ma mo be a baby side of person beside J Bhad. Now we confirm say he's a bad boy. Say you see who ni be as I know pe. Skyface. It is saying. Great. Now who the double na baby you anyway.
Killing boomer.
But this is Shintia Wakato when what is it? Danger.
Yeah, basically like branding. To be for easier identification in the mass popularity.
To more money mood or money more.
Yeah.
Now is am kasi be anymore baby.
Never.
Okay, say me buy me so okay, say me was killing the boomer.
Killing
the who killing be a man Akoma to name.
Yeah.
Killing who's a boomer. Oh, Sky,
this kind of bar, and it will be.
Aha, this year we are out a good year.
Okay, so Skyface also count the I think sir, your biggest song was that your song? And your mind hit Obama. That was your song.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. That was a new release here when you joined Asaka or before Asaka.
Yeah, I've been part of the group for a while.
Okay, you are so part. Okay.
Yeah.
I see. Now, yawadua Kogato Power Bush Obiawa. Charlie, the guys are here. Any question you have for them?